Hey, fourth grade. So, we've talked a lot this week about how our grades are going to be due this Friday. So, we're sending out progress reports next week, and we've talked to you guys about making sure that all of your assignments have been done and making sure that you don't have anything left undone. That way, you can have grades for it. So, I wanted to quickly do another video just to show you hey, this is where you can go to see if you've completed everything. So you'll notice I'm in student view, so this is how you will see it. This is our homeroom page. It will be the same for Ms. Hill's page. If you come down here to where it says grades, that is where you will be able to go to see what you've done so far and what still needs to be done. Notice right here there's a 1 next to it. That means something of yours has been graded and you can see what grade you got and see if we left any comments. So I'm going to click on that. This is what you will do. And it's right here, this is just for the test one on here, but it will say your name. It'll say grades 4, and then it'll say your name. If you go down, you will notice all of the assignments for this one. Under our homeroom, you just see the grades for shared reading and word study. If you go to our math page, you will see the grades for math. If you go to our reading page, you'll see them for reading. If you go to our social studies or science pages, you'll see them for those. So go to the page of the grade you want to see. So if you go to your homeroom, like I said, you're going to see word study and shared reading. What you will be able to see is if the assignment is missing or if you haven't turned it in at all. So notice the ones that are missing, underscore it just has a blank line. That just means you haven't turned it in yet, so you need to. This over here tells you how many points you could get. So notice this assignment right here, I went ahead and graded it. I said the test student got 5 out of 5. And it also shows a little symbol right here that looks like a chat box. If you click on that, it will show you the comments that were made on your work and who wrote the comments, and then you can close it. But the good thing about this, boys and girls, is that it's going to show you what you've done and what you haven't done. So if anything says missing like these do, then that means you haven't done them yet. If this is blank over here, even if this doesn't say missing, if this is blank, that means you haven't turned it in. Now, if over here these have a T, that means you turned in a text box. That means you turned something in. If it has a piece of paper, that also means you turned something in and it just hasn't been graded yet. When there's a number, that means it's been graded, okay? I don't want you to worry about what it says down here at the bottom for total. Don't even worry about that because each time we grade something new, it's going to change that and it might not be your true grade. So don't worry about that down there. I really just want you guys to use this page to be able to tell if you've done something yet or if you still need to do something. I'm also sending out messages right now to people who have not completed certain items, to people who maybe you didn't do this shared reading right here. I'll send a notice out that says, hey, please complete this, and it'll tell you which assignment. And you'll find those messages in your inbox over here on the left. So really take advantage of this, guys, and use this to show yourselves what you still need to do and what still needs to be completed.